Let us begin with adaptation for cell pollination. In the last classes we have already discussed about the pollination and different types. Okay, in this video I am going to share something that adaptations for cell pollinations. Adaptation for cell pollination means what are the circumstances that favors the cell pollinations. The first point is that homogamy. The first point is homogamy. Homogamy refers to the maturation of male called stamen and female called pistil takes place at the same time. This is called homogamy. Homogamy means the male sex organ, which is called stamen, and the female sex organ, which is called pistil, they will mature at the same time, as a result of which it will favor the cell pollination. The second adaptation is cleistogamy. Cleistogamy means both male sex organ, which is called stamen, and the female sex organ, which is called pistil, these two sex organs are enclosed by the petals. That is called the cleistogamy. You can see cleistogamy means the flower is enclosed. The flower is closed. That means the male sex organ and the female sex organ both are closed by petals. Then it is called cleistogamy. You can see over here, this is a structure of a hibiscus, you know, and the example of cleistogamy is a hibiscus, right? So in this flower you can observe that this stigma, style and ovary, these three things are unitely or combinedly called as pistil. Okay, stigma, style and ovary, these three things are combinedly known as pistil. However, the male part consists of anther and filament, which is called pistil. Which is called stamen. Both male sex organ as well as the female sex organ, they are enclosed by the petals. So this is called the closed flower. As the flower is closed, as the male sex organ and the female sex organs are closed, so there is no chances of transfer of the pollen grains by the pollinating agents from different plant. So cleistogamy always favors the cell pollination. The reason is the flower is closed. Okay, this is all about the cleistogamy, and the examples are, the best examples are oxalis and comalina. These are the flowers that favor the homogamy. And another term is also associated with the cleistogamy, that is called chesmogamy. Okay, next is chesmogamy. Chesmogamy is associated with the cleistogamy. There is a little bit difference in between the cleistogamy and chesmogamy, right? Cleistogamy means we have already discussed that it is flower is closed. That means the male sex organ and the female sex organ of the flower are enclosed by the petals. That means the flower is closed. But in case of chesmogamy, the flower is open. The flower is open means both the female sex organ, which is called stamen, which is called pistil, and stamen are not enclosed by the flower. When the sex organs are not enclosed by the petals, then it is called open flower. When these reproductive holes are enclosed by the accessory holes, then it is called closed flower. Once again I am repeating the statement. When the reproductive holes are enclosed by the accessory holes, then the flower is called cleistogamy. When the reproductive holes are not enclosed by the accessory holes, then it is called open flower, that is chesmogamy. Chesmogamy means the flower is open. It means the male sex organ and the female sex organs are not enclosed by the petals. And the best example is your rice and wheat. In this case, what is actually happening? The flowers are not closed. That means the male sex organ and the female sex organs are not enclosed by petals, right? As these male sex organ and female sex organs are not enclosed by the petals, the flower is open type. Okay, in this case what will happen, the pollinating agent will carry the pollen grains from different flower. Are you getting my point? The pollen grains are being transferred by the pollinating agent and they will fall, and these pollen grains will fall on the stigma, so for that reason the pollination will takes place. So in chesmogamy, the reproduction or the pollination is self-pollination or cross-pollination. Both type of pollination will possible. But in claistogamy favors only self-pollination. However, the chesmogamy favors both self-pollination as well as cross-pollination. So chesmogamy it would favor both self and cross pollination. These are the major differences between the chesmogamy and claistogamy. They will come under the adaptation for self. Then see the next adaptation. Next adaptation is quite interesting. Okay, and this adaptation is found in potato. This is a very peculiar kind of adaptations. Potato is known as Solanum tuberosum, the scientific name. Okay, in this case, what is actually happening? The style is very long, and the stigma is elongated. And these elongated stigma, they will coil around the anther. Is that clear? Once again, I am repeating. In this case, or in this type of adaptation, the style is long and stigma is elongated. Okay, and these elongated stigma coil around anther. Is that clear? In this kind of adaptation, the style is long, stigma is elongated, and this elongated stigma will coil around the anther. As the stigma is coiled around the anther, so the cross pollination will happen easily. Are you getting my point? As the stigma coils around the anther, pollen grains can easily fall on stigma and favors self pollination. Are you getting my point? In this case, the stigma is coiling around the anther, so the anther can easily transmit the pollen grains from anther to stigma. So this covers the self pollination. Then your next adaptation is Vinca. The next adaptation is quite interesting. And next adaptation is found in Vinca rosea. Vinca rosea is an example. In this flower, what is actually happening? You see, in Vinca rosea, the flowers are funnel-shaped structures. Okay, the flowers are funnel-shaped structures. Okay, and the male sex organ, which is called anther. Anthers are present in the topmost part of the funnel-shaped flower. These are called the anthers. The stamens, which consists of anther and filament. Anther and filament are combined known as the stamen. So these anthers are present in the topmost region of this flower. Below that the ovaries are present and style and stigma. So stigma, style, ovary, which is called pistil, they are very short and present in the basal part of the flower. However, the male sex organ called stamen, okay, which consists of filament and anther, they are present in the topmost region. After maturation, what will happen? These style and stigma, they will enlarge their length. They will grow towards the topmost part of the flower. As they will reaches in the topmost part of the flower, they will come in contact with the anther. Okay, so anther can easily release the pollen grains, and these pollen grains will transmit from these pollen grains will transmit from anther to stigma, and self pollination will takes place. So once again I am repeating the statement that in case of your Vinca rosea, okay, the flower is funnel shaped structure. The flower is funnel shaped structure, and the male sex organs are present in the topmost part. However, the female sex organs are very short. After maturation, the pistil will, the style and the stigma will enlarge their length and reach to the topmost part of the flower, and they will come in contact with the anther. So that anther can easily release the pollen grains. So for that reason, the self pollination will happen in Vinca rosea. These are the special kind of adaptations which are found in, okay, some plants that I have given with examples. You go through it. In next video you will start the adaptation for the cross pollination. Thank you. The next adaptation is quite interesting. And next adaptation is found in Vinca rosea. Vinca rosea is an example in this flower. What is actually happening? You see in Vinca rosea. In Vinca rosea, the flowers are funnel shaped structures. Okay, the flowers are funnel shaped structures. Okay, and the male sex organ, which is called anther. Anthers are present in the topmost part of the funnel shaped flower. These are called the anthers. You know the stamens, which consists of anther and filament. Anther and filament are combined known as the stamen. So these anthers are present in the topmost region of this flower. Below that the ovaries are present and style and stigma. So stigma, style, ovary, which is called pistil, they are very short and present in the basal part of the flower. However, the male sex organ called stamen, okay, which consists of filament and anther, they are present in the topmost region. After maturation, what will happen? These style and stigma, they will enlarge their length. They will grow towards the topmost part of the flower. As they will reaches in the topmost part of the flower, they will come in contact with the anther. Okay, so anther can easily release the pollen grains, and these pollen grains will transmit from these pollen grains will transmit from anther to stigma, and self pollination will takes place. So once again I am repeating the statement that in case of your Vinca rosea, okay, the flower is funnel shaped structure. The flower is funnel shaped structure, and the male sex organs are present in the topmost part. However, the female sex organs are very short. After maturation, the pistil will, the style and the stigma will enlarge their length and reach to the topmost part of the flower, and they will come in contact with the anther. So that anther can easily release the pollen grains. So for that reason, the self pollination will happen in Vinca rosea. These are the special kind of adaptations which are found in, okay, some plants that I have given with examples. You go through it. In next video you will start the adaptation for the cross pollination. Thank you.